Hi guys, welcome back. Today this will be video 2 in my beginner series, which is how to make a chain. So today we're going to be making a chain of 11, and we already have our slip knot. That was the first video, so if you need to watch that, go to my channel and it'll be in the playlist beginner series and it'll be the first video in there. So now that you have your slip knot, we're going to go ahead and start on our chain. But before we do that, you need to kind of have an understanding of how you're going to hold your hook in your yarn. So a lot of people recommend holding your hook like a pencil, which is kind of what I do, except I use my middle finger for support too. So I hold my hook like this, if you can see, just with my thumb and my first two fingers, and then my yarn is a little more complicated. So with my middle finger, I hold the bottom of the slip knot right here, and then my thumb goes kind of on top of it, and I'm just kind of loosely holding it in place there. And then I hold my yarn out with my forefinger. So I'll kind of show you how I get started. So I put the yarn like right here, and I go like that. And if you need to, you can go back and kind of slow that down, but it's just like this. And you'll kind of get more comfortable with how to hold things as you go along. And also, you know, it doesn't have to be identical to how I hold my yarn and hook, but you'll, you know, kind of figure out what you're comfortable with as you go along. So the first thing you're going to do to make a chain is yarn over, and then catch your yarn underneath the hook, and then you're going to pull that through the loop. So you just pull it through like that. So yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. And then you can count your chains as you go along. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you ever lose count, you just go back and count them. And then also, if you ever need to take out a chain, all you do is you just pull on this long end of yarn and it takes it out. So now we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. All right, and that is a chain. And look out for my next video, which is going to be me showing you how to make a square. So see you guys next time. Bye bye.